Section 1, Order of Operations. So the first thing we need to know about this section is that we need to follow the order of PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, so like 6 squared, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. And there's really not much beyond that. We have to go in this order, so we always got to do these first, then these, and these, and these. Where this can be tricky is when there's fractions. Technically, even if we have stuff on the top of the fraction where addition's happening, and stuff on the bottom where something else is happening, we have to resolve the top and bottom first before we do the division, because technically there's parentheses around these. So that can be tricky to remember to do that, to figure out the top first, which would be 10. Figure out the bottom first, which would be, well, 6 squared is 36 plus 3, and get 10/39 for that problem. So it can be tricky to remember to do that. Let's do a few examples now. Alright. First one. We have parentheses going on, so we got to figure out that first. And then within the parentheses, we have exponents. So actually we're doing p and then e, because we're doing the exponent within the parentheses as our first step. 4 squared is 16 minus 7. Alright, next we're doing parentheses subtraction. So we're figuring out the subtraction inside the parentheses, and we get 9, 3, and still that. Now we have to do the multiplication first. It's very tempting to do 6 minus 3, but that is not the case here. So we have to multiply these two. 3 times 9 is 27. And now we can do the subtraction step, and 6 minus 27 is negative 21. Cool. Next one. We have a little bit harder problem here with a fraction going on. So remember, we have to solve the tops first. The top and bottom rather first. So I'm going to resolve the exponent, or the parentheses first rather. So the parentheses here, 4 plus 2 is 6. Alright, now I'm going to get my exponents out of the way. I'm going to grab this guy and get 36 minus 13 over 7 plus this exponent, also 36, times 4. Now I'm going to do my multiplication, which is here, which is 144. So 36 minus 13 over 7 plus 144. Now I'm going to do my addition and subtraction in the top and bottom. So technically they're within parentheses. So 23 on top and 151 on the bottom. And now I could do the division, or this doesn't simplify, and so I can just box this answer. And that would be an alright way to leave my answer. Alright, that's it for this quiz.